Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by making both devices ready. Charge the Airpods and open the case next to your laptop. On the laptop, enable Bluetooth and ensure it's discoverable so the adapter can see new devices. Once done, press and hold the small setup button on the Airpods case until the LED blinks white. This tells the Airpods to advertise themselves. Now look for the Airpods name in your laptop's Bluetooth list and prepare to connect. Don't click anything else yet. You'll now complete the connection and optimize audio. Select the Airpods from your laptop's Bluetooth menu and choose Connect. Windows or Mac OS will handle the pairing handshake automatically. After it pairs, open Sound Settings and set Airpods as the default output, and if you want voice chat, the input device. Make sure volume is safe, then check Advanced Options. Pick the higher quality codec when available for music, or the hands-free profile for calls. This ensures the best balance of sound. Finish by testing. Play audio and make a quick mic recording or call to confirm both directions work. If you run into issues, no sound, choppy audio, or the mic not recognized, remove the Airpods from the Bluetooth list and repair. If that fails, reset the Airpods by holding the case button until amber then white, and try again. Also, make sure your laptop's Bluetooth drivers and operating system are up to date, because outdated drivers commonly cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.